Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to download My Ether Wallet application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in My Ether Wallet and search. Look for this application, MEW Crypto Wallet, and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Wait for the application to download and install on your device, which will take a couple of minutes. My Ether Wallet is a popular cryptocurrency wallet that focuses on Ethereum and Ethereum-based tokens. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open to open MEW or My Ethereum Wallet on your iOS device. So that is how easily and quickly you can download the correct My Ether Wallet application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.